Hello friends, today we will be going over images, image view and UI image. So this image view is actually a storyboard object that loads images, and to load images to an image view you need to make a UI image which will hold your images, and the images can be of binary format, a string format, or whichever one you like. You can also make your own images with using core graphics. I won't be going over that, so we would be going over only the basic stuff. So let's come back to just make a new project as usual. Go to a storyboard, and over from your storyboard, drag a image view to it. This is an image view. Okay, so inside an image view, and this is your view controller, so we have to connect the image view to the view controller. So you just drag and drop and you say image view. That's all you have to do. Let's also make the override view did appear. Okay, and now we need to load images to it. You can load any format you want to, and the images goes in this one, assets dot xe assets. So I have this 0.9.png. I'm gonna load it over here. So you can have it different sizes as well. It's for iPads and iPad minis, 1x, 2x, 3x. I just want one. So the name of this image is 09.png. You can just attach it in here in storyboard also. If you just select the and you just say 09, it's there. And then when you run the application, okay, so always run your application in iPhone 5. It's much faster. Here we are. So we had an image view and then we had the UI image. So see, it works. And now you can also do it using your code. So if you go to the storyboard, you can simply remove it. Just delete it and hit enter. And you can also do it over here. So when your view did appear, you can simply say cell.imageview.image 09.png. That's all you have to do. Oh, no, wait. So you have to make an instance of UI image. So you say UI image dot init name string. See, it works like that. Okay, so let's try now to do some animation. I have my set of 3 images for the animation. I'm gonna use these ones. So this is 10.png and this is 11.png. So they are in order for animation, you will just see. So for the animation, we have to make 3 images probably. So let's just do it over here. Let img1 dot init 09. Let's just make 3 images like this. Images 2, image 3, and we named it as 10, 11. And then we say self. So we don't give it a static image, we give it like set of images. So we give it an array. Let array so we make an array of UI images. Let's make it a var, and then we say array dot append, then we say img1 we say 2, we say 3, array dot append. We have to give the images. Okay, and then you say self dot image view dot animation images. We have to give it an array, so we give the array, and then we say self dot image view dot start animating. That's all. So let's see. This will start animating these three images. See, so it's animating now. And since it's not really working well, you can also set the timer. Self dot animation duration is equal to 2. So this is in seconds, so now it will stay for 2 seconds. See, so that's how the animation can be also achieved, by using a set of array images. That's all for image view. So image view can be used to like show images, instantiate images. You have to use the UI image class to load images to it, and then you can also do animation. Now let's go over extensions. So what is extension? Extension is actually a way to add methods to an existing class. Like if you have a UI image, or if you have a string, or any class like that, and if you want to add image methods to an already existing, you use extension. So we're going to take an example of let okay, so we made a variable of string str, and then we add extension. So we make a Swift file, and the format is usually the type of class plus, and then you say extension. This is the format we usually follow. Is this the one? Yeah, string plus extension. Yeah. So string plus extension. So we have the extension, and now you say extension. Since we have already the class string, and now we add func. Now my function name is Swift demo. This is my function name, and I just say print method works. So now we can use this method on this class now, because we have added the method to this class. This is the use of extensions. And now we come over here. Let's remove this part now, and then we can just say str dot swift, what is the method? Swift demo. Okay, somehow something is going wrong. So it's working, as we can see. So now we can call this method on this variable of this class string. And if you see, so this method will be called in view data pair. That means we will see the method is called in the console debugger. See, so this method was called, print method works. So we're good. Thank you guys for watching the video. This was image view and extensions for today. So image view is to load images, and extensions is to add methods to an already existing class.